Hello guys, I'm gonna be doing puzzle rush again. Showing my screen. Okay, so I am going to try to get more than 36 to get the highest ever puzzle. So this is very straightforward. There's just one lever, and this is one tactic back rank mate. This is also back rank mate. In Puzzle Rush, there are many which are back rank mates. You see, even that one. Even this is a kind of back rank mate. Now I don't see any checks or captures. No, I see one. This is a check and it's a capture. And I'm calculating that when he goes back, I can take the rook. So now checks and captures. This is a very known. It's like it's pretty much like the scholars. Now here I can see that the rook and queen battery on the g file. So I'm planning any checkmate threats, and I do see one here. Now checks and captures, I do see a check. I can see a capture. But if I capture, I'm just down a knight. So maybe I'm lost, yeah. So this is the only good move as it is a check. Now again we can capture the pawn, but which is better, taking a pawn or mate? Because after check, when he takes, you can actually checkmate them. That's nice. You can checkmate when you are down. Okay, now checks and captures. I see one fork. So that's the symbol. Picking up the queen or even mate. Thank God they did not ask me to move. It was so tough. Okay, checks and captures. This is a check. Back rank mate. Okay, now again checks and captures. This is a check. And after he goes, takes shelter in G1. Shelter on G1. There is back rank mate. Oh, first this. Okay, now again checks and captures. I see one check with queen, but it just blunders the queen. I see one check here. I don't see anything else. No attacks. So I'm gonna go check. And when he goes there, I can sacrifice the queen for back rank checkmate here. Okay, now again checks. I see a check. I see that we can capture the knight. It is obviously check. Okay, checks and captures. This is a check. The only good move with the position. Because after that there's mate. Okay, this is the only check in the puzzle, so it's obviously the answer because of mate. Yeah. Okay, checks and captures. This is a check, and the king can't go anywhere. It can't block, and even if it goes up, the queen is covering, so it's that's. Again, checks and captures. I don't see any check or capture. So now we'll go to the third step, attacks, tactics. I see this, an attack on the queen. This is also an attack, but it blunders the pawn. So it's obviously this. And when he goes there, which is a huge disastrous blunder, there is bishop there pinning the queen. Like nice tactic of pins where attacks and pins come together and just take the queen. Checks and captures, we can take the rook, we can take the bishop, but both lose the queen. It's not that. So I see that the f7 square is weak, so we can't take, like, see, there is an idea. If the bishop was like, if it did not move, we could have sacked the queen, and then rook there is actually mate. So now I'm combining that, so I can see that the bishop is there and he can't take because it's pinned, so, and it's a check, so he can't take the queen. Nice tactic, and after he goes there, that's mate. Checks and captures, I see a check. That will lead to a checkmate. We'll just take it, and after he goes there, there is this the only good check which is made. Now I can see a check with pawn, which is the only check in the position. I can capture that, but then I'm losing because the pawn is just too advanced. Yeah, black's b pawn. So I'll give a check. He takes. We can take back and then give a back rank check. Okay, now checks and captures. This is checkmate. Okay, now I see that the f3 square is weak, so we can take. And so now see what, like I have information, the f3 square is weak, the knight is the only piece guarding. So combining all that information, we can take the knight, because when he takes, we can take here and it actually wins the queen and it's a winning position. Now this is a check, this is also a check, but it blocks the bishop. But this check does not block it, and that's mate because the king is attacked and the bishop is there guarding these squares. So, like, this is the only check. What puzzle is this? Oh, this is a little bit tough, but it is sacking the rook. We can take it because after that we have queen takes that, and then queen does mate. Nice puzzle, beautiful. Wow, nice sacrifices. These puzzles, nice. I like puzzles that involve sacrifices. Okay, now this is free rook. It's with check. One idea is to take this rook, but then we are down a bishop. So this we can have with check. And when he goes there, we can just trade and then say that, wow, I'm up in exchange and I'm probably gonna win the game. So, okay. Now I see a tactic, your tactic. I also see that the pawn is going there. So this is very important in chess, like combining the information. You just see the position, the placement of the pieces and all, and you just see like ideas, and then you will probably see one. So like I see this is a skewer, I see the pawn is the extra pawn. So I see that this take, and then not push immediately or else the king stops. So but first opposite. And now this is a check and mate. I'm very happy now. Like I am about to reach my all-time high. Now check and mate. My God, I'm so. Oh, I got it. Oh, so close. Just 4 more. Oh, what is it? Oh, wow. If I achieve my highest puzzle rating, I'll be very happy. Is it check? Which check is it? Oh no. Yeah, it's a pawn check. And then you get a queen. Otherwise. Okay. Oh my God. Such an easy puzzle. Oh my God. That's you can sack the rook. And then the rook comes in. Just one more. No, just 2 more. Yeah. Now we can pin it. When he take. Oh, just the first mistake. Now is it this? This is. Oh my God! Now it's this. Oh no! Oh no! So close. All-time 4th. Just one. What was it? Stake. You can go there. Take the king. Oh yeah, obviously. Did this? You have to go here. I considered this. Oh, this one. So right there. Why? Why will you do? Why? Oh, so that the like see, like immediately we can't do this or the rook just come back. So first we divert it and then, but that's a pretty tough puzzle. Nice. Okay guys, that's sad, but hopefully you learned like mixing, like the information. You have information, then you can see like which move is it. Like here, no, not here. I think this one, no, no, it was not even this. I think somewhere here. Yeah, this mixing information that both the rooks are hanging, but this comes with a check, take that, and then this like that. Bye, guys.